Hello and welcome back to Progeox tip of the month. In this video, we will see how to filter out low-grade blocks and insert a report of the high-grade blocks. So in Progeox, in the block modeling module, there's a very interesting feature that allows you to filter out blocks, which is called the blocks filter command. So we're going to select it, and the program will ask you, do you want to select all the blocks? We're going to say yes. And in here you have multiple operations. You can either render the blocks with this parameters visible, invisible, or completely delete them from the drawing. The difference between invisible and delete is that if you delete blocks, you can't recover them, whereas invisible just renders them as hidden in the drawing and you can display these blocks again. So let's try out this command with the invisible operation. We're going to select gold with a grade less than 1.5. So what's going to happen now is that any block that's less than 1.5 grams per ton will be invisible. So we're going to hit OK. And as you can see here, we have all the blocks here with a grade above 1.5 grams per ton. And if you want to check what the color range is of each grade, you can type in the command line promdef, so that's PROMDEF, enter your password, and select grades, select your grade that you're working with here, and hit edit. And on the right hand side of the window here, you can check your color ranges for each grade. Alright, so as you can see here, between 0 and 1 is green, and this is what was erased. And then between 1 and 2 is yellow, and we can see that we have a few yellow blocks here, which means that all of these are above 1.5 grams per ton. So hit OK, cancel. And now to bring back these blocks, we're going to go back in the blocks filter command, select all the blocks, and hit the all visible button. This will bring back your original block model. And now let's go back here, select all the blocks once more, and now we're going to delete them from the drawing. Okay, so instead of 1.5, I'm going to say 1 grams per ton, hit OK. And this will essentially completely delete these blocks from the drawing, so you cannot have them back. Okay, and let's go back here, select all the blocks, and if you hit all visible, you can see that the block model remains as is. Now, once you have all these blocks with high grade values, we're gonna go to plan view and select the compute blocks command, which will allow you to insert a report. Now we're not going to select a limit, so we're going to hit no, select all the blocks, hit enter, and in the grade area here we'll select gold, split ore and waste at 1.5, and we're going to add a factor of silver here because we do have another grade present in this block model, and the factor is 0.02. for example. Now the densities, we'll leave it as fixed, and the report name and the report scale can be adjusted here. So hit OK, and essentially the program will now insert the report of this high grade blocks model directly in the drawing. And let's insert our block computation report right here. And as you can see here, the report was displayed on layer 0, and this is why we see the diamond drill holes, which are also on layer 0. Alright, so before inserting the report, make sure that you're on the correct layer if you want this on a different layer. And this is how you filter out blocks and insert the report with the tonnage of ore and waste, as well as the average grade of your selected grade right here. This concludes this tip of the month. Thank you for watching.